Hello and welcome to KinComposer Tutorials. My name is Darren, and over the next series of videos I will be covering some of the features that are available within the rather wonderful KinComposer Pro WordPress page builder plugin. It's worth noting that the KC Pro version is a paid upgrade to the standard KinComposer plugin. I'll post a link in the description below to how you can trial the upgrade free for 14 days, and also a link to the free version you can download from the WordPress.org plugin repository. Let's start by viewing a new page I've created to see what we presented when you first launch Live KC Pro's editing screen. Starting at the top left of the page, you will notice the King theme icon, and clicking on this takes you to a separate browser tab that displays the home page for KinComposer.com. To the top right of our page we see a series of responsive page settings. Our view is currently set to desktop mode, and I should go into greater details about these settings in later videos. Further to the right we have the Save Changes button, or you can use the shortened command Ctrl+S to save any changes to your page. Next we have the button that takes us back to the back-end WordPress page editor, followed by the Exit Editor button, all rather self-explanatory. On the page itself we are presented automatically with a new row which, within the row, has a single column containing a text element that welcomes us to the KinComposer Live Editor. I always personally tend to delete this initial row. Let's begin by adding a single row, one column from the Add Column Row section. Again, now that we have added a row and column setup, hovering over the area reveals our row and column options. Plus, we are now presented with the option to add a KC element by hovering over and clicking the plus icon. Let's add a single image to this new row. Adding an element to our blank page, the styling panel menu slides out from the right to reveal our general and styling options for the chosen element. I'm going to browse for an image, as I've already uploaded a few free stock sample images. I'll replace the KC logo sample image with our new one. You'll see that one of the great things about KC is that our page is updated in real time to reflect our selection or edit. I'll just apply that change. I'll save my changes with Ctrl+S and close the styling panel. Next I'll add another single row column, and this time we'll add a title element to the column. The style panel is revealed again, allowing me to modify and input my title text. Let's save again and move on to our next row. This time let's choose the 3-column layout. To resize the column widths, simply hover over one of the columns and you will see some grab handles appear. Select the handles and drag left or right to alter the column to the width you require. Now we will add some further content. I'll place another text module in the fourth column and confirm. Next, let's add a single image again in the middle row. And finally, let's add a tab slider. Now that we've placed a few elements on a page, let me quickly show you how to move rows and columns around our page. Rows can be moved several ways. By hovering our mouse over the Row tab, we see the grab handle icon appear. Simply select the row and drag it up or down to your desired position. Another great way to move the row, which was introduced in KinComposer 2.5, is to use the row order option within the tab again. Let's undo the row changes and look at our column options next. Again, hovering over the column highlights the placed element within the column. In this instance, the text element, which can be seen with a red outline. Placing your mouse cursor over the column tab, we see the grab handles appear as we previously saw when moving a row. Simply click and drag the column text element to where you wish to place it. Let's save the change and view the results. I'm going to end this introductory video here and will expand on the styling and additional elements options in the next video. I hope you've enjoyed my tutorial for KinComposer Pro, and if you would like to follow this course and know more about this wonderful page builder plugin, then please subscribe to the course. I'll also place a link in the description where you can find out further information from the documentation section of the KinComposer site itself. Many thanks for watching.